The Dog Slow Feeder Bowl is an innovative solution designed to promote healthier eating habits for dogs prone to gobbling their food. This anti-glutton bowl cleverly combines functionality with an engaging eating experience, ensuring pets can enjoy their meals at a slower pace, which can significantly reduce the risk of digestive issues such as bloating and regurgitation. Crafted with high-quality, durable materials, the bowl features a unique design that encourages dogs to eat more slowly by preventing them from gulping down their meals. The strategically placed obstacles within the bowl compel pets to navigate around them, effectively extending the mealtime while also stimulating their minds. This aspect not only aids in digestion but also provides an opportunity for mental engagement, making meals more enjoyable for dogs.